So, guys, once again, I'm with you all to discuss one of the subjects in the postgraduate diploma in professional marketing level 7 CIM UK qualification, and one of the senior lecturers for CIM UK qualification with KDC Academy of Management. KDC is one of the accredited study centers for you all to follow CIM UK qualification in Sri Lanka. And this subject, creating entrepreneurial change, once again, which is coming under the level 7 qualification in CIM, which means the postgraduate diploma in professional marketing. So this subject is also evaluated through an assignment. So I will just give you all an idea about what are the key areas this subject is focusing to enhance in your skill capacity, and this subject is also with 20 credits, and the entire learning in creating entrepreneurial change is focusing to enhance your entrepreneurial mindset, and how to think as a business owner, right? So that is where they are trying to enhance your skill. So the entire syllabus, I will first run through the syllabus so that you can get an idea. After that, we'll discuss further in depth. So the entire syllabus categorized into 3 areas. The first part of the syllabus talks about disruptive strategies, right? Then the second part talks about entrepreneurial innovation, and third part of your syllabus talks about transformational change. So in this creating entrepreneurial change subject, where do they mainly focus on? They mainly focus on your technology innovation knowledge, including especially the disruptive innovation and the disruptive innovation strategies and the disruptive technologies. Of course, we know there are different innovations like architectural innovation, incremental innovation, radical innovation. We might talk about the disruptive innovations there as well. So we talk about the disruptive innovation strategies there, and the purpose is to look at technology innovation, and based on the technology innovation, how you drive your organization into another direction, expecting a growth, enhance the competitive advantage of the organization, and drive your organization into a unique direction, which means you are talking about going into a change. So you talk about the innovation management, you talk about the entrepreneurial approaches here, you talk about the change management here. So those are the 3 key areas you have to learn. You will be learning during this session. So subject is the entrepreneurial change subject. So we are taking a company to do this assignment. You will be selecting the company of your choice, so preferably the company where you are working. Then you do some kind of a justification for the organization. Because we are analyzing the organization, you can get a clear picture about the organization. By analyzing using these tools, what you learn, you can get a clear idea about your organization, and also you, as a senior manager in that particular organization, you also have an opportunity to propose your top management about your views, about your strategic thinking related to this company what you have selected. So you will be able to look from an entrepreneurial angle, which means a real business owner's angle, when you do this subject, because there are so many areas to change your thinking pattern from just an employee to an entrepreneur when you follow this subject. How to look at the broader macro and the microeconomic perspectives before you take decisions, right? Then how you look at disruptive strategies to bring unique competitive advantage for your organization. What are the new innovative thinking you can bring into the organization? How you can bring the innovation management to the organization? How you can look at the knowledge management inside the organization, new product development inside the organization, new process development, new service development inside the organization. Lot of areas you will learn under this. So, and also how you can drive the organization into a new direction to enhance the competitive advantage and grow your organization into the next level. So, lot of areas to talk about. So, innovation mainly we discuss there. Especially we are talking about the disruptive innovation and how the technology innovation changing the paradigms in business and changing the entire dimensions in business and entire thinking pattern in business. So we will be looking at those areas as well. So by end of November, you all have to submit this assignment with all your inputs based on the selected company and a theme which is given in the assignment where you all have to select, and finally take the organization into a transformational change. So you should be able to finally do a transformational change for your organization to enhance the competitive advantage and go into the next level by completing this subject. So there are 3 subjects, as you all know, in CIM final stage, which means the postgraduate level. Those are global marketing decisions, corporate digital communication, and this one, creating entrepreneurial change. All 3 subjects are unique subjects, right? And all 3 subjects will enhance your capacity into a next level. And your thinking pattern, your approach in looking at scenarios, your approach in looking at the opportunities will be completely different after you do this program. So get ready. So we are having our sessions right now, so you all can get yourself stronger, and I'll be guiding you all to complete the whole journey in level 7, including the case study. So all the best. Get your qualification right at the first time. Good luck.